had me at a low. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. Today's video is a morning clean with me, although I was on the struggle bus this day, so it's just gonna really be a video of me cleaning. So cleaning motivation for you. If you are new, welcome. My name is Cheyenne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 children, and I like to post motivational cleaning content for you to get motivated, get up and clean for the day, tackle any of your to-do lists that you may have, or just listen to music and clean along with me. So let's jump into the video.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
I got so much to say, never thought it would end this way. I've had so many thoughts spinning in my head. I wanna right my wrongs, never thought they would do such harm. You got so many reasons spinning in your head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. I'm forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I'll miss you, babe. I miss you, babe. You got so much to say, but you're quiet like yesterday. Trying to read your eyes while we're kissing in the rain. Oh, look me in my eyes. Never thought they could tell you lies. I know they did, and it keeps messing with my head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain.
stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. You're standing by that window, playing your...
So I did want to mention that we had plans to take this sink out and get a deeper sink. This sink, I think, is only like 4 or 5 inches maybe. And we looked for a quote for 9 to 10. So they quoted us about $1,450. So we're probably not going to be doing that right now. But maybe in the future. I know having a shorter sink kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't leave a room for a lot of dishes, and anytime it gets full or over full, it's more like the dishwasher is full at that point. So anyways, if you guys have gotten quoted sinks or have replaced a sink, please let me know in the comments below or message me over on Instagram. Maybe what you guys were quoted. I mean, I know it's different places, different companies. So, I mean, that would be super helpful.
For hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away.
So I dusted this entire fireplace with my wood cleaner, and apparently I didn't press record. So now you're seeing me vacuum it, and then I kind of go around and vacuum some other stuff. This is the best way to get up the dog hair on all of our furniture, my kids' toys and stuff like that. I just kind of go around with my handheld and, vacuum it. And now I am vac mopping, and to be quite honest with you guys, I'm not really happy with this one. This is the Bissell Crosswave. And although it really does a good job, separating the clean liquid from the dirty, sometimes there's just some things on my tile floor that it really can't get. So I am looking forward to maybe in the future getting that Tenco one, because I've seen a lot of videos with the Tenco vac mop, and that may be something I want to consider for the future.
My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. They made me believe love's an open door in the beginning, then they shut it pretty quickly. I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain, so I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt. Love ain't what it seems, it's dark and cold and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me, I'ma show you bad, yeah, I'ma show you bad. When you're with me, you and me, you and me, I'll never be brave. My exes made me this way. Cause love ain't what it seems, it's dark and cold and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me, I don't really care if I hurt your feelings. I can make you fall in love, but I won't catch you. Cause no one was there during breakup season. All I needed was a couple of I love yous. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain,
So this bench is a super big catch-all, as you guys have noticed in my previous videos. I did just post a marathon. I don't know if I'm going to post the marathon first before this video or after this video, so just know it's been in my videos. That bug zapper, we get a lot of bugs here at night. It's really annoying. Mosquitoes, like everything you can think of. Flies, we have fly season here in New Mexico, but that bug zapper came to us broken, and we had done a return, and they're like, yeah, UPS is going to pick it up twice, and they never did. So that's why it's still sitting there. Maybe one day we'll either fix it or return it. I am showing you guys a little bit of the after. That's my drink cup. But this is after I cleaned and mopped, and surprisingly it stayed clean for more than 5 minutes. But anyways, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up and say hello in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.